TPE 2025 in Las Vegas. Currently at the Casa Carrillo booth with Wayne. How you doing, sir?
Good, sir. Yourself?
Going to shake hands like Boy Scouts with the left hands and make it all kind of quasi-formal. And we were going to pop this open. Of course, I did offer, press room coffee. It's great stuff. Wow, high voltage. And we were going to pop this. We'll be popping that a little bit later on as the as proper equipment is acquired.
Correct, because we failed this morning and forgot to bring our cups so we could share this amazing scotch with this young man this morning.
Well, we did give a briefing on that, so I think there was a failure of communication or failure of retention of information.
That works. That is very fair. I feel like, yes,
failure
absolutely.
of retention of information. As if I retain much. That's why I got to record everything.
That's why everything down.
Everything. On a date, there's a camera on on the shoulder.
Thank God.
Yeah, it's just my pet parrot. Whatever. So, how are you enjoying the show this year, Wayne?
Good. The turnout's not bad. The sales-wise have been very good as well. So far, pretty happy with it this
Outstanding. Good to hear. And of course, PCA is coming up in a couple of months. April 10th through the 15th. Yeah. So a little bit of, maybe this will be a good feeder for that too.
Go Nolans.
Nola. Go on down to Nola. Come on down to Nola.
Exactly.
Nola sounds like a chick's name. I don't know. I wonder if.
Yeah, it might be one.
Yeah, who knows? Anyhow, we digress, as I think we did yesterday quite a bit too.
Absolutely.
So, give me a little, just the foundation, startup of the company, when, where, how, background of the folks.
Well, we'll try to keep it under 2 hours. Ernesto Perez Carrillo, he started basically over 50 years ago. A lot of people know the La Gloria Cubana, which was the first company he had. Series R, big deal, big green gauge brought to America, big hit. Ended up selling that to General roughly around 99, 2000. It was about the same time he bought his factory in the DR. Kind of semi-retired. Worked with General for about 5 years. After that 5 years, he was just in his factory, blending, having a good time, blending stuff and making cigars for other people. And then him and the kids were just like, I think we need to do this. I got more to offer. So 2009, started the company. Actually, last year was our 15th anniversary, so we've been in the industry for 15 years. And he hasn't been doing too half bad since he's got, we've got 2 number 1s, a number 2, a number 3, and a number 4. Number 5. Apologize.
No worries.
Not too bad in the last 15 years.
Good to hear. Now, is this Mr. Carrillo here behind you on the
Yes, sir. That is Mr. Perez Carrillo right there.
Right there? And this gentleman?
That gentleman right there is Jorge Mike. He is actually the guy that was responsible for the Bahique.
Right? Well, I mean, same people.
100%. The marketing, making, and the whole shop. So
very
he
good.
wasn't the only, but he was the guy that spearheaded the deal. So he kind of knows what he's doing. He's
always a team effort.
Yeah, he's in our factory right now. He's kind of like Ernesto's right-hand man, but he's also now heading our marketing department as well.
Beautiful. And then represented, I like how you've got basically the family represented here. It's like, the team.
Yep,
right?
Yes, that's our factory team.
Okay, very good.
Not all of them, but a lot of them.
Yeah.
Love working. They're fantastic.
Oh, and you see some folks in the photograph still back at their stations at their tables, still rolling or pressing or whatever their specific duty happens to be. Very
Absolutely.
good.
That's what they do.
So what do we have that may be either new or upcoming or most recent?
So the newest thing we have that's actually going to be hitting stores the February, whatever next Friday is. I think it's the 7th.
Yeah.
This is going to start shipping and hitting stores. It's called the Endure.
Yeah.
Ernesto has been excited, been trying to do something with the Cameroon. This is the Merfeld family, true Cameroon from Africa. It's an amazing cigar. Ernesto actually, let's just say this has been 18 months-ish, if not a little bit longer in the making. Is once we got the tobacco, he did 32 blends to get the right blend to get it out. So, which was amazing, and it is I can't wait for people to smoke it because it's going to blow their minds. It's a limited production, so only doing roughly about 5,000 to 750 or 750 boxes, 750,000 boxes, 7,500 boxes. Sure.
That's okay. Roll the hey, it's Las Vegas. Roll the numbers around. Make up the numbers as you go. Whatever.
We just have a little fun with it. Right now we have the Toro and the Robusto only available. A third size is going to be coming out hopefully sometime, maybe in the summertime. Not sure what the size is. We do know it's going to be a smaller ring gauge because the leaf itself is much smaller. It's fragile, so being in bigger ring gauge is very, very difficult to do. Not that you can't do it, it's just you waste a lot of tobacco trying to produce it.
Interestingly enough, side note, my first cigar as, I don't know if I should say the age, I think it was 16, was Cameroon, was a Cameroon wrapped cigar. Of course, it was a machine made for Cameroon with, you know, the leftover whatever that they turn into the paper. But
they call it short filled.
Yeah. We thought, you know, we thought we were being very sophisticated at the time. After some foil fencing, we would take a break. Go, okay, we're going to have cigars now. Yeah, but it turned into some good things. Beautiful. Looks phenomenal. I like the wrapper too. Presentation is beautiful on that.
Thank you. I love the orange on it. It really pops.
Yeah.
The cigar itself is a nice medium, and it's delicious. I can't wait for people to try it. And then next to it, the Essence series is actually something we released last year at PCA. This is our everyday series, everyday smoke. What I'm smoking right now is the Honduras. What's really nice about this Honduras is actually, it's almost a Puro. It's got some Nicaraguan in there, but the binder and wrapper are Honduras. And then, of course, we got the Sumatra and we have the Maduro. Now, we're going to have 6 blends total in the series. We're also going to be coming out with a Connecticut, a Nicaraguan, and then hopefully another Cameroon.
Oh, beautiful.
So we're looking forward to that, and then we just came up with the trays. The trays are brand new. We just got these trays in, so
those are, and those pop for display. I mean,
we're hoping that, you know, we've got a lot of, biggest complaint from most retailers out there is I don't have enough space. Right. So we're trying to take up as much real estate without using a lot of real estate.
Yeah, get some social engineers on that.
Exactly.
You know?
So, and you know, the price range is from $9.25 up to $10.75.
Mm-hmm.
So it's right there in that, you know, that spot where everyday smoke come in, grab a handful, plus a nice introducty line as well.
Right.
You know,
now this is available now, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then bouncing back to your Endure.
Yes, sir.
When will that be available? Unless it's already available.
No, that'll be shipping on February 7th, next Friday.
Okay,
a week from today.
I think you mentioned that.
Yeah, it's going to land. It should land in the States on Wednesday, and then we should start shipping it on the 7th.
Beautiful.
So hopefully some stores will get it by the weekend and be selling it by Saturday, Sunday.
Good deal. Okay. Well, once you guys source a couple of little capacity containers, we'll call it that, be floating back by. Quick question: favorite adult beverage? You thought I was going to say favorite adult film.
Well, you know, I had it all keyed up too. Favorite adult beverage? I hate to say it, I'm a beer guy.
Yeah.
Go all sides, all white, except for an IPA.
Yeah.
Not an IPA at all, but I love a good wit beer. But other than that, bourbon, whiskey,
yeah,
tequila.
Okay. Well, never hate to say that you'll enjoy something if you truly enjoy it.
Absolutely.
Only hate to say it if you're saying it on behalf of somebody else or because of somebody else. Right?
There you go. Because of somebody else. I'll take that as
on
well.
behalf of. Well, you could be saying it on behalf of somebody else. Anyhow, Wayne, you folks travel well back home.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
Enjoy the
interview,
and thank you very much. We'll be talking to you soon.
Sounds great. Thank you, sir.